Hey there, food lovers! Today, let's dive into the fascinating history of sushi, one of Japan's most iconic dishes, loved by people all around the world. Sushi's story begins in ancient Japan. Originally, it was a method to preserve fish. Fishermen would ferment fish with rice to keep it edible for longer periods. Bet you didn't know that, right? As time went on, sushi transformed from a simple preservation technique to a true delicacy. By the time we hit the Edo period from 1603 to 1868, sushi had become street food in Edo, what we now call Tokyo. This was when vinegared rice, sushi rice, came into play along with the use of fresh seafood. Fast forward to today and sushi has evolved into many varieties. You've got your nigiri, hand-pressed sushi with a slice of fish on top; maki, those iconic sushi rolls wrapped in seaweed; sashimi, just the raw fish without the rice; and tamaki, hand rolls shaped like cones. So many choices, so little time. But sushi didn't just stay in Japan. In the 20th century, it spread worldwide, becoming a symbol of Japanese cuisine and culture. Now you can find sushi in nearly every corner of the globe. So what exactly goes into making sushi? The basics are pretty simple. Vinegared rice, raw or cooked seafood, think tuna, salmon or shrimp; vegetables like cucumber or avocado; and seaweed, also known as nori. First, the rice is seasoned with vinegar, sugar and salt. Then it's shaped into bite-sized portions. After that, fish or vegetables are placed on top of or inside the rice and sometimes wrapped with seaweed for those delicious rolls. Presentation is key when it comes to sushi. It's often served with soy sauce, pickled ginger and wasabi. And let's not forget how beautiful it looks. Each piece is carefully crafted, making sushi not just a meal, but a work of art. So there you have it, sushi, from its ancient beginnings to its modern-day varieties. It's a dish that has stood the test of time, celebrated for its fresh flavors, artistic presentation, and deep cultural significance. Next time you enjoy a plate of sushi, you'll know a bit more about its rich history and the care that goes into making it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.